What is up mga bro? So today, we're going to have a quick first impression look on Honda's all-new scooter, the Honda Navi. So the Honda Navi retails around 58,900 pesos. Pero itong unit namin, it costed us 60,900 pesos kasama na yung LTO registration and insurance. So let's dive into it. Itong Honda Navi have an engine displacement of 109.1cc with the power figures of 7.89 horsepower at 7,500 RPM, and yung torque figure niya naman is nasa 8.91 Newton meters at 5,000 RPM. So meron siyang engine capacity na 3.5 liters, and yung kanyang average fuel consumption is around 48.4 kilometers per liter. So as you can see, ito yung kanyang gauge. Analog gauge lang yan guys, so medyo old tech pero it's okay for its price. And yung kanyang nga palang seat height is 762 millimeters from the ground, and yung kanyang ground clearance is nasa 148 millimeters. And yan po yung kanyang air cooled pa siya. Pero okay lang naman yung air cooled kasi pang city driving lang naman to eh. At saka yung yung fuel capacity niya is hindi ganun kalaki. Ano nga pala to guys? Carburetor pa rin to. And ang wet weight niya is nasa 104 kilograms. Hindi ganun kabigat, which is very ideal for city driving. Ito yung headlight niya guys, along with the turn signals. Yung headlight is halogen. And dito naman tayo sa suspension. Dito sa harap, inverted fork na siya. Pero sa may likuran is ayun o, monoshock. Ito naman yung lights sa likod, halogen rin. So overall maganda yung aesthetics ng motor. Very rin siya, friendly sa Pinoy drivers kasi hindi ganun kataas yung seat height. And dito naman tayo sa wheels. Yung wheels niya guys is tubeless saka steel. And yung tires is 90 by 90 by 12 dito sa harapan. Sa likod naman is around 90 by 100 by 10. So mas maliit tong gulong sa likod. So ayan siya guys. I believe ito pa lang yung first unit na nabenta dito sa amin. Kasi nag-preserve kami around Monday. Then dumating tong motor sa Honda nung kahapon, is July 24, and binili na agad siya ng tita ko nung tumawag yung Honda. So ayun siya guys. Let's have a 360 look. Ciao. O nga pala, meron pala siyang compartment dito sa harapan. Sususian mo lang yan, then it will tumble down. Tapos yun, pwede ka na rin maglagay ng mga gamit. Although I don't have the exact figures, so you can just do research. So, meron rin pala siyang, may engine starter to guys, pero meron rin siyang kickstarter. Ayun. So driving this around, very siya, very magaan i-drive. Madali lang rin isingit-singit sa tight spaces. Pero yun lang, pag medyo matagal mo nang ginagamit, nakakaramdam na ako ng init banda dito. Parang naiinitan na yung legs ko. So yun lang naman yung napansin ko na na negative sa kanya. Pero aside from that, wala ka nang mako-complain kasi it's very affordable eh. 60,900 lang yung kuha namin. And nung nag-inquire pala yung tita ko kung sa sa installment options, parang magda-down ka ng 6,600 pesos. And then for 3 years, yung total na babayaran mo is mag-a-amount sa 96,900. So malaki rin ang interest pag mag-installment ka. That's why we opted to buy this through cash. So yun siya guys, pa-reserve na kayo sa mga malalapit na Honda branches sa inyo. Very sulit to for its price. Yun siya oh. O nga pala, wala pa lang lock, or di ko lang sure kung may lock tong motor. Hindi lang namin ma-figure out, pero parang wala talagang lock guys eh. So, ito nga, ang mga available nga palang colors is black, white, green, and red for now. I don't know kung may plans si Honda na maglabas ng ibang kulay. Pero what we got is the green, kasi ito nga lang yung dumating na unit. Pero it's very good oh. Ganda ng kulay. Very aesthetic. May pagka-head turner nga pala to sa daan. Kasi syempre hindi pa gaano nakikita. I mean hindi pa siya ganun ka-common. Pero I believe na once nagkaroon na ng maraming stock, sigurado maraming bibili nito. Very excited din kung anong pwedeng i-mod dito. Yung tita ko plano niyang i-mod to eh, pero it's her choice, pera niya eh. So ayun guys, this is the all new Honda Navi automatic scooter. Retail is 58,900 pesos. So I recommend, kung meron kayong cash, bilhin nyo na guys. Sulit na sulit. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening. Sa next video ulit.